Hey everybody, it's Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. And I'm going to tell you right now, this little tool I have in my hand, and simple ways. You're going to want to go right now to the description of this. Julio, tell them where all the tools are at.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar Chavez Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Francis Whittington. That's what he said, Whittington, I don't know. But anyhow, you're going to want to go get this right now because your AC is something that needs to be running correctly. And if your drain tube is not completely clear, it's just a matter of time before it gets plugged, and it will get plugged, and I'll show you why, many reasons why. It gets plugged, it's going to start draining back into your vehicle. And the other thing is you will lose AC quality. You will not have your AC as cold as it should be. If you keep your tube clean, do this once a year. It takes 10 seconds to do it. Do it once a year and you will find that your AC will run at least 3 times cooler because the condensation has to drain out. So right up here on this vehicle is the drain tube. I'm going to turn my headlamp on here. And this is the drain tube right here. I zip tied it over here so it could be out of the way. But you see these things right here? This is mud wasps. And they build nests like this. And they'll build a nest inside your drain tube. And if they do that, you'll never know it because it'll be up inside. And next thing you know, boom. And how do you find this? Turn your AC on, look for the drip, and follow the drip up until you find this hose. But what we're going to do, this little tool I've got here, like I said, you need to pause the video right now and go get one because they will not be available. They'll run out. And this will reach pretty much anybody's length of their tube, depending on the vehicle. Okay? So all you're going to do, and it's got a protective tip on it right here so it doesn't scratch anything, but you just run it up until it stops and twist it as best you can as it comes out. So I'm just going to run this up in there, twist it as I go up, and I'm going to speed the camera up because you don't need to see me twisting this thing up in there. And folks, you can use this on your sunroof drain ports as well. This is your Sweet Project Cars quick tip. Then you just force it all the way down till it stops and pull it back out, and you'll never have water dripping in on your headliner. Got to keep those ports clean on your moonroof, sunroof. You need to use it on your sunroof drain ports. That's your quick tip for today. Remember, all our videos are always double. We'll almost always have a quick tip in there on top of the main video. And don't forget our new channel that we just did, Mr. Know-It-All. You're going to love that channel. We're doing all kinds of fix-it and hacks and all that. Look for the link in the description for the new channel. Go subscribe. You need to be part of that so you can learn. We say in our little thing for it, every video you watch, Mr. Know-It-All, you get smarter. All right, so that's about as far as that's going to go. So now we're going to twist it, bringing it back out. And watch and see how dirty this is. All right, we're moving the camera closer so you can see this. You will not believe this. Look at that. That's what's in your drain tube. And it's better to have it go into your air box and be able to get rinsed out when you do this video right here. Look at that.